It can be daunting to try to come up with new content that's engaging, informative, or fun on a daily basis. But there are many different topics you can post about, and we're going to take a look at a number of examples to give you some inspiration for your future posts. Share content from your website, like a blog post, an article, or a podcast. It's useful information your audience would be interested in, so share it. Write a summary and include a link, or instead of a summary, take a quote from the post you're linking to. Here's an example from the Harvard Business Review. They published an article focused on applying for jobs in which they highlight that you don't need to meet every qualification asked for before you apply for a job. They posted this highlight on LinkedIn. Great advice, by the way. And here is another example from Microsoft Teams. They wrote a blog post on how you can transfer your Teams meeting to a different device so you can have meetings on the go, and they posted about it on X. Create a behind-the-scenes post of your workplace so your audience can get a peek behind the curtain. Give a tour of your stockroom or kitchen, or show behind the scenes of how you're putting together an upcoming event. Or show a day in the life of an employee so that your audience can get a feel for the other side of the business. Feeling adventurous? Do your behind-the-scenes video live. SpaceX, for instance, will often give you a glimpse behind the scenes on their Instagram account. And here's an example from City Winery in Boston on Facebook about what is going on during the harvest. Speaking of employees, show them in your posts at work. Have them showcase a product or service to your audience, or have one of them do a social media takeover for the day. Again, it's a way to humanize your business and build trust between your team and your audience. Here's an Instagram post from Casper, the mattress company, in which they feature Caroline, one of their employees. Or here's another post from Porter Square Books featuring one of their employees. Use social media to promote upcoming events you may be hosting. In fact, create your event on Facebook, as many businesses are using Facebook events like an events calendar, whether they're very active on Facebook or not. Build excitement by dripping out posts about the event across your social media channels, like interviews with participants, links to articles or information about participants, or a giveaway or promo if there are tickets involved. Here's an example of an event page on Facebook for a book signing. And here's a post on Instagram announcing a live Ask Me Anything with Brian Armstrong that will take place on YouTube. Create pieces of content around upcoming holidays or special events, like the Super Bowl or Election Day. Be sure to keep up on special days in your industry, like National Ice Cream Day or Independent Bookstore Day. Make sure to note these days and events on your content calendar to make sure you don't miss out. Here are two examples. An Instagram post from Target around the winter holidays, and Sesame Street's post on X for Bert's birthday. If you have a product or service you offer, make a tutorial video showing how it's used or how it works, like using an app to order a rideshare, making a food box recipe, or showing what workouts are like at a new gym. You never know who's been reluctant to use your product because they just didn't know how it worked. Let's look at these examples. Uber posted this tutorial on Facebook on how you can request a ride for a guest. And here's a post from HelloFresh where they explain how you can prepare one of the recipes in their meal box. And here's a tutorial on TikTok showing how to make a carousel post on TikTok. Ask your audience a question to get them engaged. Prompt them to reply in the comments, take a poll, or do some trivia. This builds audience interaction and can start some fun conversations, but make sure that you're around to respond to the comments. You can also go live and do an AMA or an Ask Me Anything, and your audience can post their thoughts in real time. Here's a tweet from the NHL in which they asked users to put their guesses for the winners of the Stanley Cup this season. Or this Instagram example from In-N-Out, the fast burger restaurant, in which they ask users to play a game about your friends' usual orders. Or this question from Runner's World magazine, asking people simply why they run. Hold a giveaway or contest through your social media channels. Encourage your audience not just to submit their entry, but to submit some original content, like a photo with your product that you might be able to use for future promotion. Create a hashtag around the contest or create a promo code just for a specific channel's audience. Here's an example from JetBlue on Instagram, where you could win unlimited flights. Or this example on YouTube from GoPro, who gives away cash prizes for the best raw GoPro shot. Create content around a popular hashtag like Throwback Thursday or Motivational Monday, which are hashtags and content people look for and expect. Having a Throwback Thursday post can also provide your audience a fun look into the past of your business or organization. Want to really show some personality behind your brand and have some fun? Participate in a hashtag challenge on TikTok, for example, or create your own. Here's an example of Peacock, NBC's streaming service, participating in the hashtag Don't Be Suspicious challenge on TikTok. And this is a post from the MBTA, Public Transportation in Massachusetts. They posted an old photograph of the Boston station on their Instagram account for Throwback Thursday or hashtag TBT. Does your business have a report or white paper with industry information that might be interesting to your audience? Share it. Post some charts or infographics to catch their attention. Share quotes from the report or encourage people to check it out with a "Did you know?" question. Here's an example from Consumer Reports. They posted on X about a blender survey they did. And this is an example on Instagram from Column 5, a creative agency, about an employer branding study they conducted. Keeping up on social media is just as important as posting to social media. Be aware of any trends in the social media space, which could be as small as a popular hashtag or as big as responding to a major societal event, and join the conversation with questions, educational materials, or affirmations. Providing resources and comments on industry can also position you as a leader in the space. As we're recording this video, elections are coming up in the US. Here's an Instagram post from Ben and Jerry's encouraging people to vote. One way to catch your audience's eye as they're scrolling is to post some inspirational quotes for your audience. You can do it simply through text or use an app like Canva, for instance, to create a text image, which will stand out even more on image-heavy platforms. Here's an example from Grub Riders and one from SoulCycle. Note that both of these posts are from Instagram, typically an image-rich platform, but by creating a text-based image, you can stand out. Showcase your customers, feature a customer of the week or month, and share their story with your audience. Or have a customer give a testimonial about your product or service that you can share as well. Here's an example from Southwest Airlines, a post featuring one of their younger customers. And here's an example from The Gap, an Instagram post featuring a picture of a customer in one of their dresses. Because of the organic nature of social media, businesses are finding success in promoting their products or services by partnering with an influencer. Create some sponsored content with them or have them do a social media takeover of your account for the day, so their audience can get exposed to your business. Here's an example from Instagram where a food influencer, Chicago Food Authority, plugs a sandwich from Butterfry Kitchen. Note the hashtag sponsored at the bottom of the post, indicating that Butterfry Kitchen paid the influencer for this post. And here's an example of influencer Hannah Bronfman marketing Poppy Soda on her Instagram account. If you're releasing a new product, tell the world through your social media channels. Be sure to showcase it with storytelling. Tell your audience about the problem you are looking to solve and how this new product solved that problem. Here's an example from Skullcandy introducing new wireless headphones, or this example from Volkswagen introducing a concept for a new electric car. Use some humor and levity in your posts to engage your audience and get them smiling. Employ some witty banter with other businesses as well to show that your brand knows how to have a little fun and take a joke. Here's a post on Instagram from Ryanair having some fun at Tinder's expense while pointing out the random seat assignment on its low-budget flights. And here's an example from Dunkin' Donuts having a bit of fun with people, like me, who stick to their hot coffee, even in hot weather. Throw in some pop culture to your social media posts. It may seem odd to post about a new album, TV show, or video game when your business doesn't relate to any of those. But it shows that you as a brand are up to date on the things that your audience is interested in. Plus, it gives you some human credibility. Here's an example of a post on Facebook from Grubhub with a reference to a popular Netflix show, Orange is the New Black. And here is a Facebook post from Purple, the mattress company, referencing the Summer Olympics. Share curated content like articles, blog posts, and other valuable content that other businesses, organizations, and thought leaders in your industry have shared. This not only shows you're paying attention to your industry, but by being a source of information, positions you as an authority. It can also expand your audience, and you can build relationships with the businesses whose content you shared. Here's an example, a post on X from Raven Bookstore referencing an article from audiobooks company Libro.fm about Audible from Amazon. And another example on LinkedIn, a post from OpenX, an advertising technology company, referencing a podcast from Marketecture Media. Similarly, be sure to share customer-generated content as well. It not only shows that you're paying attention to your audience, but resharing can show everyday use of your product or service. It also tells the story of your brand through your customers or users, not just from your side alone. Hamilton, the musical, shared a funny reenactment from a fan to its Instagram stories. Or this post from Tasty Burger, where they replied to and shared a post by a customer. Who's to say that you can't share older content you may have on your site? Point people back to still relevant content and repurpose it. Or take older content and chunk it up into new top 10 list posts or other tips, tricks, and tidbits you can use. Have an archive? Dig some interesting content out for your audience. Like in this example from GBH, point your audience to a favorite cause or charity your business cares about. Post their story or partner with them to create some original content. It not only shows that your business likes to give back, but it also creates a new audience for the cause or charity. In this example, Kellogg's posted about their initiative to support public middle school sports. Thank your audience when you hit a followers milestone or after a campaign. A little gratitude goes a long way, especially in showing your audience that your brand is made up of people who are grateful for the audience. Throw in an impromptu promo code as a thank you gift. Here's an example from Zinneken's Waffles, thanking the colleges that hosted their food truck. Finally, just sell something. Post a product or service you offer with a link to purchase it. Social media platforms are beginning to add purchase buttons to their posts so that followers can be taken directly to a purchase page to buy. Of course, you shouldn't sell in every post, but it's perfectly fine to do so on a regular basis in combination with other posts that are more focused on engaging your audience. Here's an example from Lovepop, showcasing some of their pop-up cards, and another example from Boston General Story, showcasing their last-minute Valentine's Day gifts. As you can see, there are a lot of different kinds of creative pieces of content you can post, and there's much more that your business could come up with as well. The important thing is to remember to try different topics, as sticking to one type of post will get old quickly.